Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to transfer money using FNB to another account. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FNB account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on FNB? Launch in browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type fnb.co.za and it's going to take you to the official website. Once you get in there, go ahead and check the top right corner of your screen, click on register and follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, I'm just going to show you how you can transfer money using the FNB account. Now, stay balanced and move your funds. So after creating your account and you log in, it takes you to the home page. You will now be able to transfer funds between your accounts in very easy steps. And these are the steps that you can take. From the home page, go ahead and select transfer. So click on transfer. And once you click on transfer, check the applicable accounts and change if necessary. So select transfer, check the applicable accounts that you want to transfer money to, and make changes if you need to make changes to that. Let's say you want to change it to a new account, or transfer to a new account that you've not transferred before on the FNB page. Go ahead and make changes. And after making the changes, the next thing you need to do is to enter the amount. Now, after entering the amount, let's say you want to send $2,000, go ahead and enter the amount right there, and then go ahead and enter the reference. After entering the amount and the reference, you're going to see the transfer button right there. So go ahead and select the transfer button. After selecting the transfer button, you'll be done. Now you can view your transfer history for transactions of up to 3 months, and you have limited, of course, it's limited to 150 entries. That's in the transaction history window. So let's go over the process again. From the home page, go ahead and locate the transfer option, select transfer, and then once you select transfer, go ahead and enter the applicable amount, the applicable account rather, that you want to transfer, account or accounts. All right, and once you're done, go ahead and make changes if necessary, then enter the amount, enter the reference, and select the transfer button. So once you select the transfer button, you will be done. Check your transaction history to see if that worked out. So that's pretty much the process. This is how you can transfer money using FNB to another account. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.